Yeah, we
Yeah.
have understood.
The
But
government
yeah,
doesn't expect the teachers to catch the
yeah. But
dogs,
then the
put them to
duty,
shelter,
I've
and all
understood,
this.
sir. I've understood, sir.
Yeah.
All I'm saying is that in the first place, it is the duty of the municipal corporation of the panchayats to do this job. Why is it that you don't have enough people here? I understand the teachers, like you said
No,
about
Sudha, let
duties.
me come in here,
Duties.
please.
Shashi, please come in.
See, the problem is not with just a premises count the dog and give away. It is internally, see, within the officials, there are various type of orders. They say that bring to us every 15 days, 1 month, you update us and appoint a nodal officer, and he has to be responsible with this for surrounding. It is not just your order says within premises. Sorry, it is not just in and around also they are asking, and they are also asking to shift those dogs to the shelters in our own expense. See, the order says something, but beneath there is a lot of things because they take, and our only concern is you have never bothered to dispose the garbage which is next to the schools. The breeding happens because of this rubbish thing is happening from the citizen as well as from the
Who puts the
officials, and these things are not controlled. Nobody is there to support these things. You
First of
always
all, yeah,
talk about
yeah,
social responsibility.
yes,
Don't
I
the government
understand.
have social responsibility
Yeah, yeah,
allocating
I
crores
understand,
of
Shashi.
rupees for
Allow me.
this?
I think I totally understand your point of view that, this is an added burden, and it is not just that you count 8 dogs today, sir, and write to the municipal corporation. It's very clear. You have the order, but I know from my sources you have to make sure that they are shifted to a particular shelter. They also have to report back every 15 days, etc., etc. I want to ask, Satya Prakash, how many you've gone to school? I've gone to school. Sashi's gone to school. You ever saw teachers doing this kind of work? They can be invigilators. They work during election time, but then
My
this dog duty.
all my young life I have been with teachers. My dad was working with the education department, so I have a lot of exposure to all the teachers. What I am trying to tell is we have to take the order. See the order first. No, don't let us not give the wrong impression of the order. The order nowhere says that the teacher should catch the dog, take it to the
Then why
shelters.
did you
The
come out with
orders,
penalize? Why did you come
one
out with
second, wait.
penalize and threatening from the Supreme Court contempt? This is
Because if
rubbish.
any citizen
Please,
doesn't do
Satya
his
Prakash
duty,
Ji. Please,
any
Satya
citizen
Prakash Ji,
doesn't
why
do
did
it. One
you
second,
mention
one second.
penalized clause? Which
You have
act?
to allow,
Which rule?
yeah. Without allowing people to speak, you have to be a good listener. Listen to me first. Okay. Every citizen is duty bound, and you are not gods. All the private management schools also get lot of benefit from the government. It is your bounden duty. Whenever
Sorry,
government
don't
asks
tell
you to
that.
do something,
You
you
are
have to do it. You are
squeezing our
not
blood.
gods. Okay. See, the private management
The
schools, you are
governments are
not gods.
squeezing the
You are
blood of
not
the private
gods. Okay.
schools now.
You are also part of the society. And whenever the government of the day asks you to do your duty for the society, it is
You
not
can't
asking for the
threat us.
government.
You can't threat
What
us.
threaten us? Yeah.
You can't threat
Oh,
us.
come
You
on.
can't
You
threaten.
can't threat
Are you
us.
God? Are you God?
You
Satya
are
Prakash,
not a
that's not
god.
If you
fair.
if
You are
if
also
if,
not a
if you
god.
don't
Your bounded
if
duty
you
it is.
don't
It is shame
if you
on you.
don't
It is shame on the government.
if you don't do the duty that the government asks you to do, if you don't take it as a
You are
responsibility,
not a
definitely the
Hitler.
government will act on you.
Government is
It is
not
your
a
bounden
Hitler.
duty. All the schools are responsible for the society. All the
We
All
know
right.
schools are
our
Okay.
responsible for
Pipe
the
responsibility.
down.
Don't
proper
come
Okay.
to the
Pipe
hygiene in and
down.
insults.
around the
All right.
schools.
Okay. Let me now come in. I'm going to ask Satya Prakash, and Shashi, you should also come in here. Tomorrow, when they are not able to finish the syllabus on time, the curriculum on time, I know what the government will say. Mr. Bangarappa will say, lot of syllabus is remaining, do extra classes over weekend. The teachers will
Already it has
try,
been said.
it has been said, the teachers will try and do it, but ultimately they are burdened. But more burdened are the children, because they will have to mug up and finish work. Because you do not have enough people in your civic authorities, you are shifting the burden on someone else. What did you do with the caste census? I want to ask you. You are absolutely bang on, Satya Prakash. about
We have
SIR
cleared.
duties.
We have
I
done.
agree with
We
you.
have done.
I agree. Listen, now you are not. SIR, I was the first one, I think, who brought up how BLOs are killing themselves because there
What
is so much
happened?
pressure.
What is the use? Has the
Pressure.
central
No,
government listened to
I
you?
don't work for the central. I am asking you.
Then?
What you are doing is impacting education, and that is a
How?
crime. It's a sin. Shashi,
Who
come
is
in. Shashi, come in here.
responsible?
Shashi,
Who
come
is
in.
responsible
Shashi, come in
Prakash
to
here.
has
govern
to
the
stand
state?
by
No, I
government.
don't agree.
But we
It is
don't
the
worry
government
about
which
his
is responsible,
take.
not Shashi, not Sudhar, not Satya Prakash. The government is responsible.
You
Allow
are
it
not
to
a
do its
Hitler.
job.
No
You are
government is Hitler here.
dictate. You all
Please,
can't
Satya
dictate to the
Prakash,
government how
take
it
back
should
your
go.
words. You can't threat us. You can't threat
You
us.
cannot
Government
dictate.
should
You
take us.
cannot.